Stop loss is very important in trading. Without a proper stop loss in place, you can lose your entire money and your account will be wiped out. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to place your stop loss the proper way. Let's say in this trade I want to buy and I want to place my stop loss and my take profit. Looking at this chart, the market is in an upward trend. So I want to buy because in an upward trend, I only make profit when I am buying. So if I want to buy this market right now, I'll have to decide where do I want to get out of this market if my prediction is wrong. So my stop loss will be below the structure, below this recent low. And then my take profit should be 2 times or more of number of pips I put as my stop loss. Let me say my stop loss is going to be here. The current price is 1.29345 and I want to put my stop loss at 1.2917. That is about 17 pips. So my take profit will be 2 times of that, which is 34 pips, and that would be around 1.2968. So let me do exactly that. So here is my position. My stop loss is 1.2917. My take profit is 68. My buy button is highlighted so I can place the order. So here is the order. Here is my stop loss. So my stop loss is below and my take profit is above. So that is how you place your stop loss and take profit in a buy position. But note that I did not just put the stop loss anywhere. I made sure my stop loss is hiding below a structure, below a low, when I am putting my stop loss in my buy position. So let's learn how to put stop loss for a sell. So this is another chart. So I want to sell this. My stop loss should be above this recent high. When you're selling, your stop loss will be above and your take profit will be below. So I want to put my stop loss above this high, say at 1.1998. That is about 25 pips. So my take profit will be 2 times of that or more, which is around 50 pips. So 50 pips from the current price down will be around 1.1923. Let's place our trade. So here is the stop loss. It will be above, and the take profit 1.1923. That is 1:2 risk reward ratio. So here is it. My stop loss is above. I did not just put it anywhere, but I hit it above this recent lower high. So that is how you set your take profits and your stop loss in a trade. In pending orders, when you're putting a pending order, the same thing applies. If you're putting a buy limit, the first thing to do is to determine your entry price, and that price must be below the current price in a buy limit, maybe 1.1955. So my stop loss now will be below this entry price, and I may just use 1.1935. That's 20 pips stop loss. And my take profits can be anything above the entry price, which is anything above 1.1955. I'm going for 1.1995. So I'm risking 20 pips and I'm going for 40 pips. So I can place the order. You can see the buy limit. Here is the buy limit down here. So that is how it works. So if you want to set a sell limit, I have to determine the price I will enter. And in setting a sell limit, my entry price must be higher than the present price. So let's say I want to enter at 1.2990. My stop loss in this sell limit should be above this entry price, maybe 1.3015. That is 25 pips. So I can place that. That is placed. So look at it. This is a sell limit, stop loss with respect to the entry price. and take profit with respect to the entry price. So in a buy stop, you're buying, but your entry price is above the current price, not below, as in the case of the buy limit. So if you're buying at a higher price, my stop loss should be lower than this entry price, maybe 1.2950, that's 25 pips, and my take profit will be a price higher than the entry price. Then I can place my order. The same goes for a sell stop. In a sell stop, your entry price should be somewhere below the current price. Then your stop loss should be above this entry price. My take profits will be below the entry price, which may be 1.2880. So I can place that too. So this is how you set your stop loss and your take profits in any type of order, whether it is a buy order, sell order, buy stop, buy limits, sell limits, and sell stop. I hope this video has helped you. Ensure you subscribe to my channel in order not to miss out from any of my future videos. If you want to learn more about the types of orders, watch my video on the type of market orders. Thank you for watching.